think what I enjoy most about working at UW-Oshkosh has to be the students. This institution is vibrant. The students are engaged.
I started out as an undergrad here. I earned my master's here. I met my wife here. I've been married for over 30 years. So a lot of my life started right here as an undergrad on the UW-Oshkosh campus. And I just really find that I found my place in the world right here at UW-Oshkosh.
UW School of Business, the School of Opportunity. You have opportunity to become whatever you want to become here. We don't limit you. You are the only person that can limit yourself.
This institution wouldn't be what it is without the students. I think that UWO is really unique, and I would recommend it to a student or a faculty member because of how engaged this university is with the community. When I teach here, I'm not teaching some students that'll go off and do great things somewhere else in the world. I'm teaching the students that'll be my neighbors, my coworkers, the students who will be managing businesses that my family members work at or that I patronize as a customer.
I've become a better person, a better teacher, a better instructor, a better leader as well, because I have the opportunity to interact with one of the best people in the world. You know, they are really like they care about what they do. They are passionate about what they do. The colleagues that I have, they are very, very wonderful colleagues. The students, they are willing to learn. They want to go above and beyond. They want to give in their best.
Professionally, this institution brings such a diverse and cohesive group together. Everyone here is committed to making the experience for students incredible, bringing wonderful research to the table, and being engaged in our community, serving our community.
Getting professors that have some research, they're doing original scholarly work, but they're also good teachers at the same time. So if that's what you're looking for, UW-Oshkosh is a great school to go to.